In this video, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process of connecting and linking your Metal TV account to your Roblox account. If you find this guide helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorials. To get started, open the Metal TV app on your device and make sure you're signed in to your account. Once you're on the main dashboard, look at the left-hand side and click on the Add Friend icon. This will open a menu with several options. To connect your Roblox account, simply click on the Connect button next to Roblox. You'll then be redirected to your web browser, where you'll be asked to choose an account to continue with Metal. Select your account to proceed. Next, you'll see a permission screen explaining what access is being requested. Confirm the correct account, scroll down, and click Continue. After a short timer, click Confirm to grant access. Once completed, you'll be redirected back to Metal, where you should see a confirmation message showing that your Roblox account has been successfully connected. To verify the connection, click on the Settings gear icon in the bottom left corner, then go to Connected Accounts. Here, you'll see that Roblox is now linked to your Metal account. You can also enable the option to display it on your profile if you'd like. And that's it. You've successfully connected your Metal TV account to Roblox. If this guide helped you, be sure to like the video and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.